Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 6, module 6. I can't believe we are getting close to the end of our 8-week session. So this week we're going to look specifically at a subset of organization development interventions. So back after I got my MBA, I was teaching full-time so that I got to take classes for free. And I was actually in a master's in org development program at Bowling Green State University. And so OD is what I see as a unique approach to leading change. OD practitioners, facilitators go into a setting with the idea that they want to work themselves out of work. They want to create the capacity in an organization to be able to create change on its own after they're through. They want to work with the people who are part of that organization to jointly create a solution that can help the organization move forward and be successful. So just to put OD, organizational development, in context, my background and the book that we're using, the compilation of kind of famous articles in the field or famous people in the field, gives you hopefully some of that background. So this week we're going to look specifically at some of the specific interventions in org development. So there are interventions at multiple levels. There are interventions at societal level, so it's not just something that's for businesses or organizations like nonprofits. These interventions have been used with really, really large groups and communities and, teams and organizations. So all of that to say, there's a lot of different change approaches. So hopefully you'll kind of review them all at a high level and then go deeper into the ones that you think are helpful or that might address the specific situations we're looking at in the class. So, Edgar Schein. So the module materials are all in the OD book, and then you're going to be asked to apply some of those approaches to a specific organizational change, which is in a church. So I'd be interested to hear your feedback about the cases, because I tried to find a variety of different kinds of organizations to look at organizational change in, and I'm enjoying reading your responses. Hopefully you're finding it helpful. Okay, so reframing complexity. This is a very famous model, these frames, and books have been written about it and articles. So take a look at this theory or this model of reframing or frames. And I'm going to ask you to apply this to an organization that you're familiar with. So whether it's your organization you're in now or another kind of organization that you're a member of, just the idea that you're going to apply the concepts or the model to an organization. So what that means is see, which components of the model or the theory you can find in that organization. Then can you use the model or the theory to kind of explain where the organization is now and also to make recommendations for improvement moving forward. So remember, in all these assignments, I am trying to give you an opportunity to demonstrate that you are aware of and able to apply the different theories of change. So that's why I'm always saying, please cite your sources. Okay, so that's the discussion board. Try to get your initial response in by Wednesday so others can respond. And so the written assignment for this week looks at a case at Temple Baptist Church, a turnaround situation. So again, this is another kind of organizational change. Summarize the situation. Again, who's resisting and why? What are the challenges? And then what are the recommendations? Right? So which of the many approaches to change or models that we have covered in the first 5 weeks, including the readings from this week, which ones of those, and some of you did use multiple models in your responses to the cases or the assignments that I just graded. So that is your assignment for this week. So have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions.